Okay, so go ahead, lie down. What we're going to do, we're going to keep your hips, knees, ankles all lined up. I want your arms straight out. You're going to make a 180-degree angle with your arms. I want you to make a fist and point this part of your fist in the floor. Now, you're going to go and lift everything, your upper body and your lower body. So go ahead and lift it. When you come up, I want your hands up high, okay? Not down here or up by your ears, but right lined up with your shoulder blade. We're going to make a 180-degree angle, okay? This is going to work your rear delt, your back, lower back, your butt, everything, everything. So go ahead, breathe comfortably, and you hold it there. Now, another thing that I want you to do is if you have back pain or anything like that, in that second requirement you have in your weekly routine, if your back is hurting, for that 30 seconds you could pump. You could go up and down like this. So rest, now come up and squeeze. Beautiful. Rest, come up and squeeze. And keep those elbows up. For the best performance, for it to work the best, if you could just hold it there, it would be even better. Okay, you'll get the best results that way. But if you can't, I don't want you hurting yourself. Just pump and soon you'll be strong enough to do it.